Hello student, welcome once again. Here is our YouTube channel, and today's episode we will discuss about the improvement in food resources in which the farm management for the cattle. Farm management of the cattle, because everything living beings, so whatever we are doing in animal husbandry need the management. So management we are studying food management, shelter management, farm management, milk productions management, and there's and the food requirement of the cattle and the disease management, how we will manage the disease in such a way that it cannot affect the disease. So different types of the management is yes and related to the animals. So animal is a first priority. If we are doing the animal husbandry, animal should be the first priority on the basis of the on the basis of these its requirements. We have to fulfill the requirements, and that wise we can gain more and more profits, because we are doing the animal husbandry means that we are going to product the produce the more and more profits. More for this one more profit, we have to provide all facilities to the animals, and these facilities will also provide a better quality of the milk, better quality of the product, whatever we are doing in animal husbandry. Okay, so main purpose of the here is the center management. For farm management for the cattle. Okay, farm management, farm management, farm management for cattle, for cattle. Okay, farm management for the cattle. Okay, efficient farm management is essential for human farming. Okay, human farming, better health of the animals and the productions of clean milks. Okay, efficient farm, it's a be with better health and clean milk, clean milk, clean milk. Better health and clean milk is necessary, so we have to make the shelters, means the manage the essential for the human farming. It's a essentials, essential for human human to make or farm the better management of the systems. So various better health and better animal and products like clean milks, various nutrient for farm management is given here. So various measures, there are many various measures, various measures, various measures in which we will discuss one by one that various methods is used here for the proper cleaning, shelters and facilities. Okay, for first proper cleaning, shelter. Okay, for proper cleanings of the for the proper cleanings and shelter facilities. Okay, shelter facilities for requires proper cleaning and the shelter facilities for the required as required to the cattle, we have to manage it. Second management we will discuss here about the regular brushing of animals. Okay, regular brushing, regular brushing. If you are doing the brushing the regular, means that it means that dirt and loose hairs can be removed from its body, and the animal feels very comfortable. So if the animal feels very comfortable, it becomes healthy, and then it will provide more and more clean milk. So for the milk productions, and it health will always be properly better. Third management will be regular clean brushing is necessary. Third is the well ventilated roof shed. Okay, well 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 ventilated, ventilated shed, shed well ventilated sets means that is a set should be such way, and also not only well requires it's but also shelter in a well ventilated should be said in order to protect them from the rain, heat and colds. It will help protection from rain, heat, cold. So rain, heat, cold. Because India has the three properties. They have the rain, heat, cold. So we have to protect the rain, heat, cold to the animal from these. For the animals, we have to make the well ventilated shed so that it can proper give the better health to the animals. Fourth part is here. So fourth parts we will discuss about that the floor should be sloping. Okay, floor and floor of the kettles, the floor of the kettles should be sloping so as kept dry and okay, floor should be slopy so that the place should be for dry for keeping dry place, for keeping dry place. And if the place will be dry, the cattle will not affected any types of the fungal disease and different types of disease. You know that if the dry place is not available, different types of disease attracted towards the end, they will survive years because survival environment is given by the moisture part and watery part and the different also different types of mites, insects, mosquitoes and ticks. These are the different types of the insect that attack towards that and they infect our animals. So these are the four measures by measures means after the management. So we have is discuss here. So now we will discuss about the food requirement of the cattle. So food requirement of the cattle. So sorry, food requirement for cat. Okay, these are the food requirements. So we have written here food requirements. So as we know that a requirement for the dairy cattle are the okay, food required for the dairy purpose point of view have two main features. First main features is here for maintenance and for producing milk. For maintenance and for producing milk. Two purpose producing means that at the times of the lactation period we will increase the lactations, and for maintenance means in on those period of times when the cows are fellow animal husbandries creatures is not in a conditions of the lactation periods. So for maintenance, so this one thing it required to support the animal to live a healthy life. So okay, it is for required for healthy life. And these, as we had already told you, that's for the producing milk types of the food is required during the lactation periods. It's a food for lactation period, for lactation period. Okay, lactation periods, because if we are providing such a food that increased lactations and its a durations of the milk productions, then it will give the more profit. So profitable is a point of view, we will have to think over it. So these are the lactation periods. Now different types of the animals feeds are different, so we will discuss the different feeds. Different animal and different feeds. Different animal and different feeds. There are a lot of animals is available here, different types of animals. Some animals, on the basis of these animals we will study about the feeds. First feeds is we have discussed here roughages. And second here is concentrates. Okay, concentrates. Okay, rough phases have a low nutrients. It contain low nutrient. Low nutrient containing the substances. The food is here. So fibrous, low nutrients. It's a fibrous. It's also fibrous. And low nutrients and the fibrous feeds is here. Green fodders, silage, hay, and green fodders. It contains green fodders. It contains first, second, third green fodder. Green fodders. Uh, Green fodders. It contains green fodders, and also it contains green fodders, hay, silage, and the fourth is here. So we can say that's a green fodder, silage, um, and silage and legumes. Okay, legumes. So green fodders, hay, silage, and legumes. Four types of the low nutrients and roughages containing foods is provided to the animals. This is called roughages. And the concentrate foods. It is low fibrous. Okay, concentrate means that we will discuss here. Concentrates. It is second part. It is low fibrous, highly nutritive, and with rich protein containing the feeds is here in a concentrated level of proteins, and the other nutrients is available. Just cereals, it contains example. If you are taking example, so cereals first, bajra, gram, and bajra. These are the grams, and bajra is its contains more cereals. Okay, so apart from the mentioned product, some feeds additive containing the micronutrients promote the health and the milk output of the dairy animals. So okay, so we know that it should also be noted, noted the cattle should be given a balanced ratio with all the nutrients in proportionate amount. So balanced nutrients is a must. So without balanced nutrients we cannot provide such a good quality of the food to the nutrients so that they can survive. So these are the some statement I have given you. I hope that you heard understood it, and before and today's also have understood it, and you will certainly one by one, if you things over the whatever terms we have taken, so you will certainly capture it and have become able to explain in any examinations point of view and increase your knowledge and knowledge. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.